Okay, so what we're doing today, instead of working on the STI, we're going to be working on my mother-in-law's Hyundai Santa Fe. Got to replace the door handle. It broke on me the other night, so I've been having to roll down the window and open the door from the outside. So, got to get that fixed. I got the part in yesterday, so hopefully we can get it done. So let's change the camera look, get the camera swapped around, and get started on pulling this thing apart. So to get started, we got to get the door panel off. Screw here, screw inside the door pocket, screw on the outside, screw on the outside, screw here, and then you pop it off, and it comes off pretty easy for the most part. Okay, we're gonna start by taking these off first. Be mindful of this screw. It is a machine thread. So then what we're gonna do is pull on the bottom to get it loose. Gotta get this out of the way. Just pull it up. So you pull it out and you're just gonna kind of wiggle up. There we go. Okay, once you get the door panel loose, you gotta get in here and pull these wires out. Just take the light off. I usually just twist the light off and then come back and pull that clip. Okay, new door handle. The screw here I know is stripped. So the clip here, you just kind of push it back, swivel it out of the way. Oh, push down. There we go. Take a small little flathead, tie up on that. You just push up here. And just slowly pull up on that. That comes out. Okay, so this goes into the hole. I don't know if you can see that. In the hole, you just twist this, snap, push. Hole, snap, push that there. So these lines keep wanting to pop out, like they don't sit in there very well, or they're just loose. So what I think I'm going to try to do is get a zip tie. Really? Gonna get the door panel put back on, and well, it don't fit perfect, but being that it's an aftermarket part, I'm good with it. Kind of hangs up a little bit. Yeah, I can live with that hanging up a little bit. As long as it works now, which it does, I'm good. So that's gonna end it for today. Y'all have a good day. Appreciate you watching. God bless.